Alright. I'm just kidding. Alright, well, it's a little bit later after we rode with Gracie and she led. Andrew and Dad are now officially put their, what, $30 in to drag race here at Carolina Ventura. Alright, so Andrew is in the stock 700 class and Dad's in the 400 class. That may change depending upon how many 400s are running. I think that's what they're talking about over there now. I got permission from Mr. Ryan Thornton to go stand at the end with my sister, so I'm gonna try and get them coming this direction. And I got 2 ticks on my battery before it dies, so let's see what happens.
Starting with 7:14 and 03.
Definitely was not left lane.
Next up, taking the track right now, number 3 and number 20.
He's pulling on me.
Number 3 and number 20.
Oh, crap.
Please take the starting line at this time. Number 7 will receive the bye. The first round, let's get number 7 with the bye.
Good race. Come on. Woo! Oh, that's Ryan. That's Ryan and his big bad machine. Right or left? Right or left lane, I don't care. Okay. I'll do right. Alright.
Alright, let's go guys, let's go.
that plane?
Yeah.
All right, your number was 03. Gotcha.
We're looking for
Who needs Kyle tires?
That was your first loss? Yep. You've lost, right?
Yep, I've lost once.
You got to beat him again.
All right.
Whoever wins this one is the winner. Fair enough?
Fair enough.
Good job. Give it hell, guys.
I gave it all it had, man. All it had. He's just that much, he's just a little bit faster than I am. God dang
Lesson number 129 in the ATV.
You lost and came back through the
class.
losers bracket and got second.
it. I gave it all I had on that one.
Yeah, it was first time it stood up like that in a while.
129.
I laid into it. I didn't get off.
129.
It's all good.
Yeah, I know. All right, just a quick little update while we're headed back to camp. That was a really, really good drag racing event. I thought I was going to get put out in the first round or the second round of double limbs just because everybody seemed a lot faster than I was. But I don't know, this thing held its own, and we made it all the way back up to the final race, which unfortunately we lost to the same guy. But I mean, hey, he earned it. That thing's fast. But it was definitely a great event. I enjoyed it a lot. I beat the snot out of this thing trying to win, especially with the against that 450, I think it was, idle tires. We were running that thing hard, and that was probably the closest race I've ever been in my opinion. And I mean, that was fun. That was really fun. Big thanks to King of the Deep and Ford for putting that on, because that was really, really fun. And Carolina was really cool, obviously, but I enjoyed that a lot. Finally, I get to drag race this thing, kind of show off what it can actually do. So, we'll head back to camp, maybe update y'all either in the morning or whenever we get a chance. So, yeah, we'll see you guys then.
Go ahead and do class.
Heck yeah.
Third place, Mr. William Hucks.
Just a little bit of a recap and to show off what we got rolling. We got all 4 of the bikes squeezed in here and got our drum where we did our fire stuff. Everything's packed in here nice and snug. But yeah, we didn't get a chance to do anything loading up wise because it was pouring rain, as you can tell. Still raining pretty bad. Didn't get a chance to record anything, so.
Yeah, I know. I called you. You didn't answer me. I was gonna say we need to kind of finish the video.
Yeah. So, any thoughts about this weekend?
It was fun. I had a good time. Nothing really broke on the Raptor. Thank God. Finally made it through the whole weekend. Other than the chain, the sprocket hub is now loose again, but we'll have to figure that out because that's brand new. I'm assuming it's the axle. So wider axle. I think it's time for a wider axle. But anyway, it was a good weekend. Definitely fun with the racing and the drag racing and all that stuff. So.
Yeah, it was definitely a good weekend for you performance-wise. First in motocross and third overall with drag racing. Second overall. So, definitely a good way to end things.
Yeah, for sure. Now it's just raining and we can't get to Buc-ee's because the line is backed up a mile.
Yeah, no Buc-ee's vlog. No, absolutely not. But yeah, just wanted to check on the trailer. This thing's pulling all right.
How's it pulling?
Pretty good. I think there's only been a couple of issues here or there, but mostly because of slow cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel the same way this weekend. My everything hurts,
Yeah,
so
same.
it was.
Having, like stretch, and I can't really move my arms back.
Yeah, me neither.
I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions all them times, I was hopeless. Now we the coldest.
Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to talk.